Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen today. We're gonna do something super fun. I'm excited you're here. I got a comment from one of my viewers that wants to see a sprinkle rolled cake. As in, we're gonna tip this cake sideways and roll it through sprinkles. Yes, I'm so excited because this is a new technique for me. I've never done this before, so you guys are gonna watch me either fail at this badly or we're gonna get through it somehow. Thank you for the suggestion, Shaquelle, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate your love and support watching my videos. All right, let's see. For our sprinkle roll cake, we need non-permeable sprinkles. These are the best kind of sprinkles for a rolled cake. Also a jelly pan. We're gonna dump those sprinkles into this pan. We also need our cake. Obviously, I've got cardboard cake rounds on top and bottom. I'll show you why that's important in a moment. I've also got my little parchment paper Christmas trees. I just freehanded these. You guys can print something out if you would rather have it look a little better, but I just freehanded these, and we are going to stick them on the sides of our cake, and then we roll it through the sprinkles. Hopefully, we'll be able to pull the parchment paper off and we'll have Christmas trees inside our sprinkles. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm making it more difficult on myself. You do not have to do this step. This is just me making it more difficult. All right, let's see. We're gonna top it off with some cute snowmen, and let's do this, you guys. I'm excited. Like I said, I've never done it before, so thank you for your suggestion, Shaquelle, and this one's for you. So we are gonna just trace these trees and then cut them out on the parchment paper so we can stick them onto our cake. I just freehanded these trees. You guys feel free to print out some templates or whatever you guys wanna do. I just freehanded these guys today. They don't need to be very big because your cake is not huge, so they just need to be pretty little. We're just gonna trace the Christmas trees on to our parchment paper because we're gonna stick this parchment paper onto our cake in a minute. All right, there's my Christmas trees. You see we traced them. Now we're just gonna cut them out. Okay, here's our little parchment paper Christmas trees. Remember, you have to do it on parchment paper, not wax paper, so that they will not stick to our cake when we want to take them off. All right, let's put them on the cake, guys. All right, we're gonna place our little parchment paper trees around our cake. Make sure you push them lightly, but make sure they get pushed down really well, lightly as you go. We don't want those sprinkles sneaking in when we roll. So make sure to push down really good. There's no really right or wrong way to go about this. We're just kind of sticking them on wherever we feel like we want a Christmas tree. Comes the fun part. We are gonna dump the sprinkles. Oh, and they're so messy, so just be careful. We want enough sprinkles to cover the pan. Okay, here we go. So, we turn our cake on its side and we hold on to the cardboard rounds on each side. Now we set it in the sprinkles and we go. for places that you didn't quite get and you would like to, just go ahead and set the cake down. You can just press the sprinkles with your hands to get them to cover. Now that we've got our cake covered in sprinkles, we are going to put it back in the freezer for about 15 minutes. And then we will attempt to pull off the parchment Christmas trees and see if it worked. All right, now that we've had our cake in the freezer for about 15 minutes, we're gonna take off the top of our cake round. I've got this really hot knife and run it under hot water, and we should just be able to slice it right off the top. Make sure that you run your knife under hot water because that really helps to get this to come off smoothly. Just kind of keep going around really carefully. As you can see, it's lifting fairly easy, and there we go. Now we're gonna add a little bit more buttercream to the top of our cake, and then we're gonna cover it with some sprinkles. All right, now that we've got our cake covered, we're gonna attempt to pull off our parchment paper Christmas trees. So wish me luck, because like I said, this is all brand new for me. Haha, look at that. Just using my tweezers and gonna attempt to get a hold of it, pull it off slowly, and there it is, coming off, woohoo! Sorry, I got excited. There you have it, guys, our Christmas trees and our sprinkle cake. Now let's finish this cake up. Attempted and we succeeded today as we made this fun sprinkle rolled cake. I had a lot of fun in the kitchen today because this is something, like I said, I've never attempted this kind of cake. I've never turned the cake on its side and rolled it through sprinkles. So it was a really fun challenge for me to be able to see if I could do it. I'm so excited you guys are watching. If you guys have any more suggestions for me, drop them in the comments. I'll check them out and I will attempt them. And it may go right or it may go wrong, but I'm real here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes, and I want you guys to come on this journey with me. Thanks again, Shakel, for watching my videos and for suggesting that we make a sprinkle roll cake today. It was super fun, and I appreciate you guys watching and following along on my cake journey. It's been awesome to have you guys here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. All I'm gonna say now is I'm stepping on the sprinkles on the floor at this very moment. Yes, they're on the floor. Even though I attempted to save them by putting the pan, they're still on the floor and I'm stepping on them. And so I gotta go sweep my kitchen floor and probably vacuum my entire house before my kids and my husband get home and they're like, what are you doing here? No, they know I'm crazy and it's all good. Have an awesome day, cake friends, and thanks again for the suggestion.